Comet is Perplexity's AI-powered browser, free on Windows and Mac. In this guide, you will download it, install it, set it up, and run your first test. Let's get started.
This is Comet. It is a browser that looks like Chrome, but it understands what you read. Open any page, press the assistant, and ask. Summarize this article, compare two products, draft an email. The browser does the work for you.
Comet is a Chromium-based browser by Perplexity. It brings 4 things to your everyday browsing. First, an assistant sidebar that answers questions about the page you are on. Second, one-click summaries for articles and videos. Third, agent tasks, like booking, shopping, and filling forms.
And fourth, your Chrome extensions just work.
The requirements are simple. Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit. Or a recent Mac, Intel or Apple Silicon, the website gives you the right build. A free Perplexity account, and an internet connection. No Python, no Node.js, no terminal.
Start at the official site, comet.perplexity.ai. Click Download Comet. The site detects your system and downloads the installer automatically. On Windows, it is Comet Installer Latest.exe. On a Mac, a .dng file. Only use the official site.
Double-click the installer. Click Yes on the permission prompt. The installer opens. Welcome to Comet. Click Start Install. Watch the progress bar while the browser downloads. When it finishes, Comet creates a desktop shortcut and launches automatically.
On a Mac, open the DMG file. Drag the Comet icon into your Applications folder. The first time you open it, macOS may ask for keychain access. Click Allow. If the system blocks it, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and click Open anyway.
Welcome to Comet. Let us get started. First, choose how to set up your browser. You can import your bookmarks and settings from Chrome or start fresh. Then, pick your profile picture and display name. Choose whether you want the dark or light theme. Finally, enable any widgets you like, such as weather or news. When you are ready, click Start Comet to launch the browser.
Choose your profile. Pick an avatar from the options, or upload your own photo. Enter your display name. This will appear in your browser window and shared with pages you visit. Next, choose your theme. Dark mode is easier on the eyes in low light. Light mode gives a clean, classic look. Select your preferred default.
Customize your experience. Toggle widgets on or off. Widgets show quick info like weather, stocks, or top news. Toggle the sidebar to show or hide the assistant. When everything looks good, click Start Comet to begin using your new AI browser. Sign into your Perplexity account for the full experience. Enter your email address to continue. If you do not have an account, you can skip this step for now. The browser will still work, but some AI features may be limited.
Now, let us test the browser. Type a question in the address bar, such as, "What is the weather today?" The AI will search the web and give you a concise answer. You can also click the Assistant button to get page-specific help. Try searching for a topic you are curious about.
If you run into issues, here are some fixes. Connection problems, check your internet and try again. Slow performance, close unused tabs and update the browser. Sign-in issues, verify your email and password. Most problems are solved by restarting the browser or checking for updates.
You are now set up with Comet. You installed the browser, completed the first run wizard, and learned the basics of the AI assistant. For next steps, explore the sidebar, try voice search, and customize your widgets. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below with questions.